Growing your sales revenue is a must do if you want to grow your business. And for that, as a business owner, as a marketer, as a sales rep, you got to meet more people. In this short video, I'm going to share with you 3 ways in which you can meet new people. Number 1, attend more conferences, networking events, and summits. But not just as a participant, but try and be there as a speaker so that you get more visibility and more credibility. Number 2, have a clearly defined outreach strategy. Whether it is you who's doing that, or your business or your team members who's doing that, or your freelancers or whoever is going to do that for you, agency. Have a clear outreach strategy. Number 3, you know the trends are constantly changing, the world is evolving, the algorithms are changing online. And in order to be in touch with the most and the best way to meet more people and grow your business income, be a part of a mastermind group and certainly have a business mentor. So these are the 3 ways in which you can grow your business income. And if you like shortcuts, you can do all 3 of this by joining my Heart Leaders Club, where we not only meet every single month for hot seat calls for business masterminds, but we also have a professional business networking event where you can promote your product and find other people to do that for you. Also, if you are very serious about boosting your business income, then you are welcome to explore my Business Income Accelerator Plus program, where I show you how to boost your business income by laying the framework and systems in 9 weeks or less. But go ahead and click that link to see if the enrollments are still open and if you can book an exploration call with me. My name is Rupa Patil. I'm a certified mastermind professional, an international business mentor, trainer, author, and speaker. And I am on a mission to support at least 10,000 heart-centered entrepreneurs to grow their income and impact without advertisement. See you soon.